going forward, the Azimio coalition, of which Jubilee is a member, and Jubilee has never left Azimio officially. There are ways you get out of the coalition. You don't write love letters to the speaker or whoever. There is a mechanism, and it is the Secretary General and the NEC or the Governing Council. The same way we signed into Azimio is the same way we will get out of Azimio if ever we want to get out. So, Speaker yesterday recognized them as a parliamentary party. All right? We have always been a parliamentary party. To say that Sabina Chege is now the whip of the Jubilee Parliamentary Caucus, let's call it that way, is not news. We already had a whip. This guy of Nakuru, he's called who? Arama. Arama was the whip of the Jubilee Party in Parliament. Unless they are telling us they have now replaced Arama with Sabina. Na hiyo pia haina maana, kwa sababu the only person who can communicate to the speaker about changes, even of a PG meeting, is the SG. The speaker cannot appoint officials for us. I don't know where he got it from. Although he's very clever, he said something about, is it intermediary, or he was using a word like interim. All right? But also, having said that, his ruling is also very mischievous. Because if you read Wetangula's ruling yesterday, and we are going to give you copies, on the section where he purportedly recognized Jubilee as a parliamentary party, he very clearly says that the status of the majority and the minority parties, nothing has changed. And if you indulge me, I'll just read to you that relevant portion. And this is communication from the speaker yesterday. It is number 30, the media, I'm sure you have this. Number 30, subsection 2. And he said, and I want you to listen to me very, very carefully, Watu ya media. He said that to give effect the provisions of Article 36 of the Constitution on freedom of association and Article 38 of the political rights, which confer upon each member of the House the right to determine which entities they wish to be associated with, and the right to make political choices, the Jubilee Party is hereby recognized as a parliamentary party within the meaning of Standing Order 20A. This is the operative word, sentence. This recognition does not in any way elevate it to or affect the status given to the majority party and the minority party by the Constitution